Hello, everybody, my lovely lovers of big money and big trading sessions. Of course, it's me, Polly, and I'm here. I'm so miss you guys. Welcome back to this channel. Let's start. While I preparing everything for our session, I want you to follow this channel, of course. If you are not, do it yet. And of course, Telegram channel. I have a new Telegram channel only for you. You can find a lot of interesting information about trading, about my life, and about everything you interested in. Okay, we're starting with $80 up option. Okay, $80, it's not so much. According to the RSI oscillator, fell into a strong oversold zone. Therefore, we open a trade up. Rebound from the lower boundary of the channel up after accumulation. So how are you guys? How is your mood? How's your health? I hope everything is great. I'm so happy to see you here again. So I hope everything great. And of course, you should remember that it's interesting game. It's a game for a long. So just keep calm and enjoy the process. Join my channel and enjoy. You remember that? Okay, if you're a new member, just follow and be sure that everything will be perfect. Okay, $153. Great start. It's not so much, but it's okay for start. We should do 153 up option. Rebound from the lower level of the channel and moving to the middle. We expect the continuation of the long trend. The escalator has a margin of safety. Okay, and while we're waiting, just tell me about your summer holidays. Have you swam this year or not? Me, yes, I was in a country club. Oh my god, it was amazing. I swam a lot and I ate a lot of meat. Oh my god, it was amazing. And I'm waiting for the next time I will be there. Okay, 293 guys. Okay, we continue. And we continue with 294. Up option, breaking through the middle line of a channel and moving up. The escalator has a margin of safety. Therefore, the option too long. Let's try. Okay, up option, guys. Okay, 564. Okay, guys, continue. We came out of the oversold zone after the downtrend. We expect further upward movement, breakdown of the middle line of the channel, option up. 564 up option. $1,000 and 82. Oh my god, guys, we continue with 1,083. Down option, guys, approaching the overbought zone on RSI. Therefore, we start to expect a pullback down. We open a short option. $2,079. Oh. Guys, can you imagine that? Wow. Don't waste our time. We continue with 2,080. Down option, we're in the overbought zone on the escalator. We're waiting for a decline. As we can see, a red candle is starting to appear. 3,993. I can't believe my eye. Great. Guys, we continue with 3,993 down option. We observe the falling of the uptrend. We expect further decline down to the middle line. Option too short. $7,666. Oh my god, big game is starting, and we have a last one for today. Guys, are you ready? We should do 3,000 up option. We expect a pullback from the support zone upwards. $5,760, guys. Yes. Oh my god, can you imagine that? I told you guys, you should follow this channel, and of course don't forget to follow my Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of information about trading, about our videos, about my life. We can talk with each other there, so I will be waiting for you. Follow my channel. It was me with you, Polly. Bye.